ChronoEdit is not your typical image editor. It's a temporal reasoning model that transforms image editing into a video-like process. Today, let's install ChronoEdit GGUF on ComfyUI and run it locally, even on an 8GB GPU. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. We will upload the input image. I will use the prompt available in Node. We will run the workflow. If you get this error, just click Run again. The results are very good. Even though it's just the GGUF version, the results are still clear. We will try another prompt. And that's ChronoEdit GGUF, the AI model that brings time awareness and physical realism into your image edits. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more cinematic AI tools.